Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Varma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips, how to prepare for online rounds, how to clear the online assessment rounds in different companies, different IT companies like Infosys, TCS. You can find all these related videos in our channel Job Updates by Varma. So I will suggest you to go through our channel, so it will be great if you go through these videos. And recently I have published different job notification as well as different interview tips also. You can go through it, and if you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe. In today's video I will discuss about two job notification. One has come from Elitmus, another one has come from EY. So in Elitmus, it's a off-campus drive. They are hiring for full stack developer position. Freshers can apply. So as it is a product-based company, Elitmus is a online examination taking platform. So it's a their product is the Elitmus examination platform. So that's why the CTC will be quite good here, 7 LPA, and your working location will be Bangalore. You can check their official website www.elitmus.com, and job profile name is full stack developer. CTC is 7 lakh. Experience required is 2021 fresher. Drive location is remote online. So you can give your exam, online examination and interview rounds through online mode, or remotely you can give the interview. Now I will discuss the eligibility. Like 2021 BE BTech CSIT batch are eligible only. Good PH score required. Like you have to apply through the Elitmus portal, and you have to give the Elitmus test before the uh, uh, interview round. Okay, so there the platform will be Elitmus itself. So there they evaluate a candidate based upon the PH score. So you have to secure good PH score. So it will also contain like ability test, reasoning ability test, logical reasoning, verbal ability test, and programming logic test, and also programming test. So you will be asked to crack a hands-on coding assignments in one of the rounds, obviously. So coding is very important here in full stack development position for Elitmus. So what they are looking, actually their selection mainly rigorous. They want different traits in the skill sets. You should have explored things outside your curriculum. You should familiar with web technologies, obviously, because full stack development is the primary thing for web development. You should feel at home with a POSIX compliant OS like Linux, Mac OS, Unix. You are high on logic and love mathematics, puzzles, and brain teasers. With all the above, you are still very well glued into what's happening in the world, then you can come into their company. So for this Elite Must off-campus hiring round, due to ongoing pandemic, the work would be remote in the beginning, would be converted to in-premise once the company decides to do so. So as of now, you will earn 7 LPA from your home, work from home job it is. So after, when the situation will be good in 2022 mid, then they will call you for the in-premise officers. Gross stipend during the prohibition or the prohibition period would be 20,000, that is 18,200 plus 1,800 food allowance. The CTC after prohibition for full-time employment will be 7 LPA. So this is their condition. Keep in mind that Elitmus spends considerable effort in training new interns or employees through their direct mentoring skills by senior folks. Only candidate willing to commit for minimum period of 24 months, that is 2 years tenure post commencement of the full-time employability, only need to apply. So these are the few criteria or the details or the important things I want to discuss about this off-campus drive. If you're interested, you can click on this apply link. It will redirect to the Elitmus profile career page. There you need to log in to apply. So just click on login to apply. The form will open to you. You have to give your email or mobile number to continue, or you can also log in with your Google. Otherwise, if you have not registered yet in the Elitmus platform, you need to register there using your email address and password. So after registration, you need to do your login and apply for the job. So I will suggest, it's a very good job. Those who have really interest in coding part, those can really apply. I will suggest to join Elitmus. Now I will discuss the job notification, second job notification which has come from EY. They are hiring any graduates for the associate analyst position. So all of us know EY is a big four. It's a brand. They are hiring for associate analyst position, risk management service 1 position. Your working location will be Kochi, Kerala. Degree required is MBA, MCom, BCom from a reputed college with good academics background. Experience required is 0 to 3 years. So freshers are eligible, also 3 years experience candidate are eligible. Basically your responsibility there will be EY satisfies mainly the AML regulatory requirements here. So you have to assess the risk level, perform KYC requirements, liaise with the engagement teams, initiating the AML assessment folder, report progress checking, status of the AML completion process, escalate engagement teams on the KYC quality reviewer process. So all these things regarding the KYC updation or checking you have to do there. Encourage the client facing staff to engage the central CDD crime team. You are expected to have the below skills: the good written and oral communication skill, good research and analytical skill, ability to establish maintain high degree of confidentiality and credibility in all levels, strong team player, proven ability to work with others, ability to solve problems creatively, enthusiastic, good expertise in MS Office tools, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Word, good knowledge of visualization tool like Excel, Power BI is an added advantage. So ability to work well under pressure to tight deadlines in a demanding environment. So good academics is required. Experienced candidate freshers can be considered. 0 to 3 years experience candidate work experience is required in the research background or AML KYC background, and awareness of recent global events linked to the financial crime and sanction will be added performance to you. Any relevant certification will be an added advantage. So you have to click on apply now there also, then it will redirect to the career page of EY. There you will go through the associate analyst job position. You can once again go through the job notification there. Then you have to click on apply now. You can apply directly through the LinkedIn profile, otherwise you can apply now. Click, then the form will be open to you. So that's the thing. I just want to share with you the links and descriptions. So I think this really helps you. The links will not open for a long time period. It will be closing within few of days. So as soon as you are getting notification, try to apply. That's it, friend. Thanks for watching this video. Please share this video and subscribe us and hit the like button for this video. We will meet in next video with new job updates.